Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Luminous token. Ticker symbol is LUM. Now this is a very popular token on the base chain. Right now it's trending number 25 on Dex Screener in the base section. It's up today almost 70% and has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. It's a very popular token. I saw when it came out, it was very popular right off the bat. It's about 1 month old. I got some central exchange listings, all sorts of links all over the place here for this token. You can find it on BaseScan, and if you're looking for the chart and the price and the statistics, you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener. We're going to go over the information on the Luminous token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has been listed on a bunch of very big central exchanges. So it got listed November 27th on xt.com along with the Clanker token. Check out my video on Clanker if you're not familiar with that token. But they got listed on xt.com or XT Exchange. They've been listed on Coinex Global. I remember seeing their Coinex Global listing. MEXC Global. Most likely listed on there as well. Probably almost every big central exchange you could think of, they've been listed on there. But I mean, not everyone. So we could actually check to see which ones on CoinMarketCap. They do have a listing page there that shows if you click on markets after you search this token on CoinMarketCap, it'll tell you all the places it is listed. So I'll give you an easy way to get this token though right off the bat. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account. You would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search LUM, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, token price is pretty high per token. Right now it is $34.55 US, according to CoinMarketCap. There is a total supply of 1 million LUM tokens, and that is also the max total supply and the self-reported circulating supply as well. Now, this token is up 68.74% in the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Now, it is listed, I just checked here, so I pulled up the market section on CoinMarketCap. So this token is listed on XT, Coinex Global. You can find a link for Coinex down below. Also, MEXC Global. There's an MEXC Global link down below. It's also listed on Kcex. It's on Uniswap. Open Ocean. So another way to get the token, I'll give you a decentralized way, just in case, Coinex or MEXC or XT.com is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You could also get this token off of Uniswap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet would be fitting. You could use a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a get a Chrome extension on your PC, and then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. Then you would, using the contract address you could find on their Base scan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener chart, you would trade your Base for the Luminous token using that contract address. Now, according to Go Plus Security, there is only 0.01% buy tax and 0% sell tax. So you probably won't have to set slippage. There will be a little bit of gas fees. Now, their Go Plus Security audit, speaking of audits, on Dex Screener has no issues on it whatsoever. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, no blacklist, no whitelist, all good stuff. Also have a good Quick Intel security audit. There's no issues on there. They only have 70 out of 100 on Token Sniffer, though, so just be aware of that. It's not a perfect score there. So it says the LUM token represents the fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence capabilities. A token born from the idea that when minds collaborate across the digital divide, they create light. It's about illuminating new possibilities through partnership. So that's what this token's all about here. Now, they don't even really have a legit web page. You can click on website on Dex Screener and it takes you over to warpcast.com where they talk about the token a little bit. Like it just kind of says, where human creativity meets AI potential, together we're building tools, making art, and exploring new horizons. Join us in shaping what's possible. And they have a bunch of posts about that where people can discuss the project on Warpcast there, so you can check that out. They have their own little Warpcast channel. And they also have a Twitter linked, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. So you guys can check that out. And their Twitter is at Luminous Base. And they have the contract address right there. Real easy to find that. And blue verified checkmark, 5,614 followers. They just joined Twitter November 2024, 21 posts. And so you can find a little bit of info there. They have a Clanker link and the Warpcast link in the pinned tweet there. So you could find the Clanker link where they talk about this token as well on there. Check out my Clanker video, by the way, the token bot Clanker token. There's been a bunch of spin-offs. Even today I posted Ski Mask Clanker, and yesterday or the day before Pepe Clanker, which are spin-offs from the Clanker token. So yeah, they have the clanker.world page here where they talk about, it just basically has the market cap, some statistics on this token, things like that. But if we want to know what's going on here, they have a $34.4 million market cap and fully diluted valuation. So it's a very big project. Just today, this token, the Luminous token, has a 24-hour trading volume of $3.4 million. They've had 3,203 transactions. They have $1.8 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap. And they are trending number 25 today. And token came out 29 days, 19 hours ago on Uniswap. So it's about a month old, still going strong. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Luminous token on Base? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one and the Coinex global one where this token got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.